should.
Second day, was it? Yeah.
Oh, well, that's right. I'll get a park right there then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just about to turn onto that road, so we'll be there in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Good morning. Gamit ko na ulit yung ating DJI. So, ang ginawa ko, ginalaw ko yung gimbal. Tapos, hindi ko tinigilan na i-on off yung ating kahit walang lumalabas. Then, ginalaw ko rin yung katabing parang pang left and right. So, ginalaw-galaw ko lang yun. Tapos, press, galaw, and then, ayan, nag-work siya. Kahapon hindi. Ginanong ko rin siya kahapon, hindi siya gumalaw ng ganon.
No, look at that shit.
Hindi siya ma-on-on. So, ang aga-aga namin umalis kila Race, mga before 7. Tapos, ngayon is 7:50. Sobrang traffic as in. Eto, umuulan na ng mura dito sa kay Janet. Please, F siya ng F kasi grabe. Kahit saan kayo pumunta, traffic. Tapos, itry niya pumunta sa kabila, traffic. So, parang naiipit na kami. Yung first game is 8:30. Ayan, malapit na. Buti na lang nakawala kayo. Tapos maraming road work. Ang daming road work. And si Holly, ubo na. Oh, ayan. Ubo siya ng ubo. Hopefully it's not gonna rain, Han.
Okay.
Park there, Han, so we can watch.
Right.
Where? Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm bringing the footy down.
Alright, let's get. Pero hindi ko kayo dadalhin. Gagamitin ko ulit yung camera. Zach, say good morning. Last game today.
You mean last 3 games?
Last 3 game today. And dito na ako nag-ayos sa sa car.
We'll have to go straight over to
Yeah,
get
you
clothes
get your clothes.
and
Dito na ako nag-ayos kasi
done.
kailangan makaalis agad sa sa bahay.
No, just tell her, just want to lie. Well, tell her what you want.
Come on.
Right, get going. You got to be there, mate. You got to be there at 8 o'clock.
Come on. You have 5 minutes. Go, Zach. At least hindi siya late. Where's my vest, Han? I need my vest. Okay. Love you, Zach. Jackie. Come on.
Get it through there. Right,
Yeah. Baba, when you cough, do this, please. Naguna siya ng ubo. Where's your jacket? It should be there. At the back. Wala, Baba. Where's my hair tie? Saan yung tali natin? Alright, see ya. See ya. Good luck. Love you. Okay. Yes. Alright. As long as you know where we are. So, nagpalagay siya ulit ng bandage kasi masakit ang paa niya. Para may support yung kanyang paa. Just put it long, Zach. Yeah. Kasi malamig na naman. Ay, hindi rin. Malamig. Parang yellow. Sana wag humangin. Hindi daw siya. Doon siya sa Macau. Dali, run! Mag-start na yung first game. Ayan yung magiging kalaban nila. Magaling to. Magaling tong team. Etong blue. Good morning, Sharon. Morning. Freezing. Where's Emily? Come on. Go, go, go. Come on, dog. Come on. Yeah, hold it. Go, Zach. Get up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Got the front. Oh God. Come on, front, front. Go, Zach. Zach. Go, 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 go. Kick it. Oh. Almost go, Zaki. Come on. Open. Come on. Yes. Oh. Oh, yes, yes. Go, 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 go. You go, go. Get it. Son, get it. Go, Saki. Good, 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 good. Oh, go, go. Come on, one more. Go. Oh! Go, 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 go. Oh, go green. Saki, good job, Sak.
Have a shot.
God, get on the line.
Where are you, Sak? Oh, almost. Go, Sak. Sak. Come on, get a goal. Go, Zachary. Go, almost, Sak. Go, Sak. Oh, help him. Oh, help him. Help. Go get it, Sak. Okay, good job. One more.
That's it, boys. Keep it down here.
Go. Get it. Oh, come on. Yeah, just leave it here. Stay on this side. Zach. Yes. Go, 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 go. Run, run, match. Go. Run. Again. Lenny. Mitch. Kick. Colin, go, Colin. Go, show. Go, go. Good job. Good job. Come on, boys. Oh, dali. Come on, get it. Go, Len. Yeah. Oh. Almost. Somebody grab it. Second quarter na. Lamang yung kalaban natin ng 2 goals. Go, boys. Go, Dave. Go, Zach.
Kick this, Zach.
Oh, Zach. Saki. Good job, Saki.
Yes, tackle, Zach.
Good job, Zaki. Go, go, go. Go, Dave. Yeah.
Square.
Go, number 16. Go! Good marking, Zach. Go, Zach. Yeah, go to the goal, Zaki. Yes, Saki boy! That was a long one. Good job, Sam. Get another one. Good job. Go, Charles, go, run, kick. One more. Yes, go, run. Sack. Fight for it, go. Go. Yes, get in the goal. Sack. Just kick in there. Yes, yes, bro. Good job, bro.
GABOS!
Another one. Another one.
Go, boys.
Another one. Go. Go, Sa. Go. Go, Len.
Pick it up, buddy.
Go, Sakari. Kick it. Good job. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. I cannot see it now. Yes. You go down. Kick it long.
Push it down, push it down.
Go, Dave. Dave. Sakari. One more sack. Good job, Sak. Kick it to go, Sak. Oh, it's all right. 1 point. One more. One more. Yes. Come on. Go, go, go. Chad. Yes. The two of them.
Lucas got him, did he?
Yeah. They're fighting for it. Oh my God.
On you, Lucas!
Go, go, go. Come on. Yes. No. Yes, yes, yes. One more. One more, one more. Go, boys. Go, Dave. David, kick it, Dave. Go, Dave. Go, Mitch. Go, Sack. Okay, Brock. Go, Brock. Kick.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes. Yes. Good job, boys. One more, one more. One more goal. Go, Saki. Kick it, Sak. Go, 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 go. Yes. Sak. Good job. Kick it long. Green. Yeah. Oh, talk. You have to talk. Oh. Mitch. Go, Saki. Oh my God, Saki, you alright?
Push back in. Run it in. Run it in.
Yes, Saki boy. Brock. Brock. Dave, kick it, Dave. All right. Come on, Mitch. Yes. Well done. Who's that one? Oh, yeah. Yeah, number 10. Go kick a goal. Yes. Go, boys. Well done, boys. More guys. Go, Sak. Good job. Go, Sak. illegal. Good job, Brock. Go, go, go. Yes, yes, yes. One more goal. Yes.
Lenny back, Lenny back.
Punch!
Go. Go get him. Go, go, Shepherd. Go, Sak. Good job.
Lenny, kick out back, mate.
Oh, good Dave. Come on. Oh. Good job, Dave. Yes. Good job.
Oh, back over to oval 4. Right, we've got time.
Kathmandu na siya kasi malamig na guys kahit may araw. Buti na lang hindi mahangin. Dito kami sa next oval. May dala pala akong popcorn. Let me see your face. It's red. Ayan, may tama na naman siya for today. You did well. Yes. Yeah, you did so good. I know, it's nice, right? And then nice size. For salt for them. Yeah. You play well.
Come on, come on.
Titingin naman siya ng video. Hala, this is so green no sak and this one red. Why always this side? Lagi dito na lang sa kabila. Nire-review niya yung mga kuha ko. Kung nakakuha ko ng magandang...
Can I go?
I think so. Mark and goal. And tackle.
That's a good bit of play. You want to say, yeah? No.
Yeah, that's yours, Sak. You got that one.
Oh, that's Brock.
No. And Sak.
How's that, Zach?
That's Sak. He got it from the other boy. That's a good mark.
Photo.
Papa, group photo na sila. Okay. Drink water. Alright. Drink water. Yeah. Kuha si Kuya ng yung kinain niya kahapon na potato na merong mince. See? Nakukuha ako ng hot chocolate habang hindi pa naglalaro si Sak. Yan, ito yun. Eh, may mga food truck sila dito. Nandun yung boost. Yan yung sponge doon kukunin ni Kuya. Ayun. Hindi ka, ayan. Ayan. Ganyan, oh. Yan yung mga potatoes na may mga filling. Mag-toilet muna tayo ba? Medyo mahaba lang yung pila sa ating hot chocolate. Si Kuya, siguro nakakuha na si Kuya. Nakakuha na yun si Kuya, wala na dun eh. Hinihintay ko pa yung hot chocolate and kumain tayong fast food sauce. Ayan yung sauce niya. Ang init niya pa, ang sarap nito. Kasi yung ibang binibilhan namin ito, masarap ang pasty nila. Parang empanada sa atin. Wala pa yung ating hot chocolate. Ang tagal natin siyang nakuha. Ang dami din kasi bumibili. Tapos na lang si Kuya. Kuya, did you finish your food? Already? Oh. Di ba si Kuya kain? Hi! Hi! Ay. Kuha sila ng boost. Para tayo ditong upuan. Kuya, what did you get? What flavor? What flavor? Mango? How about you? Berry. Hello, guys. Hello. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, masarap to. Eto hindi. And wala siyang meat. Ano lang, carrots at saka patatas. And maalat. Di ba? Okay na to. Bigay ko kay Jan. Babe! I still have sauce there. Sauce. After nitong game, sila sak na. Sila sak na ang next. Yan, magiging kalaban nila. Wait! Ayan na. Go boys. Goal natin dun sa kabila. Doon ang first goal natin. Yes. Go. Go, Sak.
Living.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh. Sak. Good job, Sak. Oh, get him, Sak. Come on. Come on, come on, kick. Come on, Shepherd. Good job. Good job, Saki boys. Oi! Pass it. Go now, boys. Go, boys. Shepherd. Pass it. Go, Sak. Yeah, come on, come on. One more, net. Yes. Oh. Just keep it there. Yep. Come on. Oh, that's a good boy. Kick. Oh. Come on. Good job, boys. Hindi nyo lang nakita. Ang taas. Dapat pa ganito. Go, Dave. Get him. Go, go. Oh, come on. Help him. Oh, the legs. Go. Get him. Yes. Go kick him, Mitch. Go.
You're right, Kate. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
Oh.
Good talking, Mitch.
Go, Sak.
Who's back there? Go mark it.
Yes. Good job. Go, Sak. Talk. You talk. Good job. Go, run, run.
Go, Mitch, go!
Run.
Run, Mitch, run!
Go, Sak. Oh my God. Come on, get it. Get it, Mitch. Good job, good job. Well done, Mitch. Go long. Kick it long. Go, Ned. Oh, good job. Go. That was a good kick. Oh, go, Sak. Good job. Get him now. Oh! Oh! God! Come on! Oh! Go, Sak! Talk! One more! Yes, Zachary! Go, Sak! Kick it! Oh, watch it! Come on, pick it up! Pick it up, get a goal! Sak! Good job, Saki! Come on. Come on.
Oh, good boy.
Come on.
Oh, just standing there. Looking at it.
Come on. Sack.
Handball.
Go, Sack.
Handball.
Oh.
No, I'm on. Oh, there it all.
Good job, Saki. Good mark. Hindi natin nakunan.
Oh, Mitch just dropped in.
Oh. Go back, Sack. Forward, Sack.
Oh,
Good job. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yes.
Switch it. Switch it.
Come on.
Switch it. I don't know.
Big fella. Yes. Go, go, come on. Come on. Run, run, run.
He really looks like Lena from Chona.
Oh, you have to talk. Go, Sack. Good job. Go, go, move, Sack. Oh, no, he's been kicking her. Someone's been pushing him.
Oh,
Zachary.
easy, right?
Oh, come on, Mitch. Yes, Mitch. Good job. Oh, good job, Mitch. That's good. There. Kick. No one's there at the back. Go back, back. No, 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 no. Good job, Lenny. Oh my God. Come on, go forward. No one's there.
Run back, boy.
Run back.
Go the square, Zach.
Sack.
Run back.
Go there, Sack.
Run back.
Good job, Saki boy. Good job, Saki boy.
Go, here.
Saki this way. Go, Jad. Oh! Oh my God, they cannot mark it now. Good job. Go, Sack, go that way. No, Sack.
Go for a bean.
Go back, Sack, run, Sack,
Down
run.
there.
Don't push someone, Mike.
Let it go.
Deliver it to
Need to
someone.
go.
Turn around, Zach. Call
Turn
it.
around, call.
Call it.
Call, Sack. Ned.
Grab that
Jad.
big fella again. Who's on him?
Good job. Come on, mark it. Good job, Sack. Kick a goal, Sack. Oh, points. Water, okay. Tapos na yung first quarter. Walang naka-goal both team. Push harder.
Boys, we're still in the game. All right, boys, you're in the game. Hey, we just missed a couple of opportunities.
Go, Sack. Quarter, dito na yung goal natin. Oh, come on, sana maka-goal sila. Yung kabilang team wala pang points. Sila may 2 points. 2 points lang. Ang gagaling nila. Pareho magaling. Go, boys. Go, Sack. Come on, boys. Come on. Oi. Hold it, hold it. Come on, boys. Go, Brock. Good job, Brock. Good job, Saki. Good job. Come on. Come on, come, hurry up.
Big fella, look here it is. Look.
Come on. Oh my. Good job. Come on.
Run.
Sack, run. Oh. Thank you. Come on, come on, come on.
Zach.
Zachary. Go back, Sack. Okay. Yeah! Good job! Good job! Well done, boys. One more. Oh my God. Oh, talo tayo. Talo tayo. Oh my God. Oh. Kuha niya si Isak na. Si Kuya bibili siya ng boost ni Saki Boy. Punta ako dito sa West Beach Park, kung saan kami nag-lunch kahapon. Bilang ko si Sak ng wrap. Gusto niya raw yun, yung katulad kay Kuya. Kinain ni Kuya kahapon. Gusto na naman ang itsura natin dyan. Wala sila yung si Sarah kasi ginagawa lang daw nila yun every other day. So ngayon, meron silang iba. Wrap din, pero breakfast wrap yung tawag naman. Sabi ko, you have the other, yeah, that was the other day. Then yesterday, we do different. Tapos, ngayon naman daw iba. So parang every morning, iba-iba yung kanilang wrap. So sana magustuhan ito ni sa bacon, eggs. Yung eggs naman, hindi yung sunny side up. Yung omelette siya. Ayun. Magustuhan nito ni Saki. Balik na tayo doon. Malayo-layo tayo. Buti na lang ininit siya para yung bacon mainit. At saka yung egg. Sak, they don't have that one because they do that every other morning. This is breakfast. Omelette. I don't want it. They don't have it. Ayan, kinain niya na.
He's quite lazy.
Are you next year, bro? Are they next year, huh? After nito sila na. Sak, just eat little bit, Sak. So you're not gonna have a tummy ache. Binigyan na ni Sak sa daddy niya. How is it, Han? Alright? Good? Huh? Is it good, babe? Kasi sabi ko guys, ako niyang ubusin kasi baka sumingit ang tiyan niya, tatakbo pa siya mamaya. At saka uminom pa siya yung tango mango na boost. Pasa kay Kuya. Si Kuya nag-ano na yan, nag-spot $15 yun yung kay Kuya na isang potato na mayroong mince, tapos tomato, parang, yeah, tomato sauce. Not tomato sauce, well, niluto nilang sauce. After nito sila sak na. No, I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Thank you. Let me see your face. Dami
I
ng
got one of them
pasa.
yesterday, line, but there was only strawberry left. Jesus, it's nice. They still chocolate ones.
Ang dami niyang pasa na. How about jacket? Jacket, yes. Please. Yeah. Lumalamig na naman. Popcorn. I have one more left. In this game, Zach. Alright, okay. Do you need your jacket? Okay. Alright. Good luck, boys. You're not taking it? Okay. Just run. Okay, love you. See ya. Yung mga kalat. In 10 minutes, mag-start na sila, Zach. So, dito ulit kami kung saan sila naglaro ng first game kanina umaga. So, dito ulit sila. And ito yung mga naglalaro ngayon. So, meron dito. Meron dito. Meron doon. Meron doon. And meron doon sa kabila kung saan tayo naglaro. Yung second game. Doon. Sa kabilang yan. Okay, tapos na yung black and blue. Ayan na yung ating players. Mag-start na sila. Ayun na si Sak. Ano kaya pipiliin ni Sak ngayon? Tail or head, Han? Oh, they do the, ano na? This way, this is our goal. What? Yeah, the reporter. Go boys. This way, this way. Last game. Come on, boys. Go, Mitch.
Oh, that's better.
Oh!
Yeah, come on, that's nothing.
Come on, come on! Go, Lenny! Go, Lenny! Go, Lenny! Go, 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 Lenny! Nalobat yung isang phone.
Let's go.
Go! Do it! Go long!
Yeah, he's got to kick that.
Come on, kick it! Suck! Go get a goal, boy. Yes, good job! Good job, boys. Get more. Suck! Kick it, Suck! Good job!
That's beautiful.
Go! Come on! Kick!
Stay down, Lenny, stay down.
Go, Len! Kick! Oi, oi! That's your team! Oh! Oh! Come on! Kick!
Shepherd!
Shepherd! Come on, boys.
Hey, 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 hey,
Here!
hey, hey, hey.
Yes, Saki! Come on, Zach.
Fuck, Zach. But say how he was free just here.
Yeah.
Chipped him.
Yes,
Kept him simple.
and then he had a shot.
Don't say that,
Oh,
bad.
no, he's kicking right. Go left.
Yes, Saki! Good job. See? You're wrong, honey. Nag-goal ni Zach. Malayo kasi siya, oh. Ayun yung goal. Pero, ano ni Zaki? Na-goal.
It never worked.
Get it, Zach! Go, go, go! Mitch! Come on! Kick it!
Mom, I can't take you one now.
Yes! Come on! Kick it! Go, Lenny! The one. Come on! Oh, come on! Go, come on! Come on! No one's there! Help, help, help. Go, Zach.
Well, you don't want to run up here? No, I think they coach.
Come on.
Stop there, Deborah.
Oh.
Oh, that was lucky, sorry. Oh.
Come on! Brock! Oh.
Don't just do that because it goes to no one.
Yes.
That's off.
Come on, come on,
No,
come on.
but that's not accidental.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Kick it! Kick it! Tapos na yung first quarter. I think lamang tayong isang goal. Lagay natin to kay Zach. Okay. How many goals you have? 2? Is it 2 goals? Yeah.
Me?
No, no, no. Your team. 3 goals.
All right, boys. Okay. Concentrate. Concentrate.
Half to go.
All right, you've done the hard work, but I always think our second half's been our best footy. Right, boys.
Let's go, lads!
Second quarter.
that one that got it out.
Here's Chad.
Come on, Dave! Dave, kick it, Dave! Come on, boys. Win this game. Oh, what's that?
Shut up, mate.
Go, Sak! Good job, Saki boy.
Go, bitch, go!
Go!
Go long. This. Come on.
Go! Yes, go run! Kick! Oh! Oops! Another one! Go, Sak!
That's all you gotta do.
Oh, not look! Go, Sak! Come on! Yeah. Only 4. Come on, come on. Mitch, go, Sak! Kick it! Come on, chase it! Help him! Oh my God! Oh! Go, Jab! Go, run, run!
He gives out silence.
Go, Mitch! Good job, Brock! Come on, boys. 3 minutes left. Win this game. Go, Sak! Kick it! Come on, come on, come on. One more. Come in. Kick.
Oh, big fella. He's got that. He's got that.
Yes!
Oh, no,
No. Go, Dave! Yes! Good job, boys. Come on, boys. Go, Sak. Kick it. Kick it, Sak.
Good kick.
Good job, Saki.
Good kick.
Good kick.
Job.
Good job, boys. Come on. Come on, get a goal.
Oi, the referee always tapping it behind him to Zach.
Come on, get a goal. Yes! Yes! Good job! We're gonna wait.
Do we all have to?
Yeah. Look at that boy hand with Zachary. Go, Zach! Good job. Go, Zach! Oh! Get him! Yes! Oh! Oh.
Well done.
Good
Lenny.
job, Lenny!
Bloody beautiful.
Yes! We won! Panalo tayo. Good job, boys!
Making first or second or what? We don't know what's happening next year, so we won't worry about that. Let's just do some certificates first, but in no order. Put your hands together for the captain, Zach. We did a great job.
Ngayon, hinihintay lang namin matapos tong isang game. Pag nanalo yung dark blue, may chance tayo ang manalo. Kaya, we're cheering for them. Yes? Is it go? Ngayon, kailangan natin mag-cheer sa dark blue para tayo ang manalo. Come on, blue! Oh! Get it up! Oh! No, 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 no! Go! Take it! Hindi yung mga players natin. Naghihintay. Kick it! Nag-cheer na kami sa ibang team. Naka-goal yung dark blue. Okay ng boys. Kailangan kasi namin manalo yung dark blue. Nanalo yung dark blue ang sayo ng mga bata.
I think I'm gonna be dead.
Ay, that was our team. Ito pala tayo. Daddy has it.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, I gave it to Daddy.
So straight away, and then you can go do whatever you want.
A highlight for us. As we do, we like to harp on a little bit about learning, but I won't say too much. But I'm sure you guys have learned a lot about not only your football skills and abilities and how to play wet weather football and windy football now, but also about interpersonal skills and relationships and stuff as well. So once again, a big thank you not only to Lower South East, but all the country teams who have travelled. The coaches and team officials really do sacrifice a lot and give up a lot of their own time to provide these opportunities for the kids. So don't ever take that for granted, boys. Be appreciative and grateful for that. The umpires have done a terrific job throughout the week. You guys from both SANFL juniors and genders. Our hosts we must thank as well, and obviously you guys as parents and caregivers. Sort of the light version of the presentation. We're hoping to have a bigger one later on, but we do understand you want to get going, so maybe will that be that still want to come up with more
That you come out with Minty and Brock, and these are the captains of life, and then you've got your boys who are going to player out. Well done, boys.
Well done, boys.
So Div 1 everyone?
Well done, boys.
Does anyone need any school shots before they take their stuff off?
Okay.
Yep. I'll have.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can be replaced, but I still believe this time.
Oh my God, what time is it, babe? 2:12. Ngayon, mainit na yung car. Finally, tapos na.
Get out.
Huh?
What? Can't we? Oh, what?
Where are you going, Han?
I'm going to go around the roundabout.
Yeah. Oh, I'm hot. Naka-heat tech kasi tayo. Ah, well done, Zaki boy. Oh. They're not done yet, huh?
Hey.
Them? Oh. So, tatlo yung nag-tie na champion. Right, Han? 3 of them?
Yeah.
Kasi pare-pareho yung talo nila, 2. Pero kung napanalo nila yung yung second game, ay sila yung sila lang sana yung panalo. Kaya nila chini-cheer yung kanina para makasama sila sa sa champion. Ooh. Well done, Zaki boy, you play good, all of you.
Brock's a good tackler.
Yeah, Brock is a good tackle. Maganda si Brock mag-tackle. And the 3 kids, you see them, huh? The 3 kids can knock him down. May 3 bata na
I thought Lenny got it.
Yeah, I thought Lenny's gonna get the hardest nail. Oh my God, very good. Okay, 5 more hours.
Yeah, he's the best on the team, isn't he, Dad?
Hey.
Lincoln.
Hey.
5 more hours bago tayo makauwi. I'm so thirsty, honey. Do we have water there? Pagod na ang lahat, guys. Later na lang. And full na yung aking phone. Kailangan ko mag-transfer. Wala na. Full na rin to kasi ginamit na natin siyang pang-vlogging. Kahapon, tsaka today. Where's my water? Water, Baba? Oh, you got lollies, babe? How about you? Mentos? How about you, yeah? Where's Zachary's lollies? Ah, he doesn't want? Okay. Alright, let's go. Nagpagas na si Jan ng isang araw. Okay pa yung ating petrol. Full tayo, full. Ayan, let's go.
I was reading magazines all night. Yeah, some people always talk their way through fights, but I grew up with bruises on these hands. I need something else to understand. Give you all the love I can make of everything.
Oh, kawawa ang aming baby girl. May sipon. Yes, I will. Ano na, 4:56. Malapit na kami sa Key. Doon kayo magdi-dinner. Yeah. It looks dark na. Si Kuya tulog. Oh, tulog ang kuya natin. Si Sak gising na. Kanina tulog din niya. Si Holly, umuubo, may sipon. Ayan. So, kuha tayo ng maraming tissue dito sa sa kit. Marami sila dyan na tissue. Ayan yung truck, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ang dami na sayang na parking, oh. Hindi makapark dyan. Pero dumaan kami dun sa likod niya. Kaya, ayan yung car natin. Okay, let's go. What do you want, Han? Do you want anything? Okay. You want, oh, you want that one now?
Dad wants
To what?
potato cakes with
Huh?
chicken salt. 2 potato cakes with salt.
Kuha akong banana bread. Meron silang banana bread. Nagka-chika na naman si John. Can we eat it here? Yeah, eat there. Why in the car? Alright. Sa car na lang daw kami. Okay. Alright, dito kami sa car kakain. Okay.
Jack.
Yeah. Even Kuya. Kay Jan, sandwich.
What'd you get me?
Ham salad.
Thought you thought it was called beef.
No. Yeah, it was.
Same thing.
Why, you like beef?
Look at
hindi
David, he's flying. David.
Si David. Kuya,
Rizla.
Baba,
Come on
you want a
down.
drumstick, Baba?
What do you want? Did you get tissues?
Yes, of
Give us
course.
some. Blow nose.
Kasi yung tissue natin. Kumuha ako ng bongga. Daming tissue. Wait, Baba. One at a time. One at a time. Ilagay natin to dito ulit para may stock na yung tissue. Okay, I got gravy here. Who wants,
Where's the potato cakes?
hala, potato cake? Here. You got another, oh yeah, that's yours. Ah, mamaya ko na yung kainin. Ito. Meron tayong Kerensky. Not yet. Get your food
I left well before us.
Yeah.
Cold already.
Maybe they.
We must have passed.
Sarap nito, cheesy. Yeah, it's good. More? I guess, baby. Oh, sorry. Kalimutan ko yung chicken niya. Awesome. Yeah. Wow. Hard?
Hard rock.
Ah, matigas yung kanyang potato cake. Okay, meron tayong drumstick. Yung kinuha ko ay bargain box. Okay. Okay. dyan tapos nang kumain. Where's your tissue, Holly? I want you to have tissue, please.
Straight back Mount Gambier,
Huh?
straight in what?
Ha?
I said straight Mount Gambier, straight back in what?
Yeah. Oh, go big. Dito na kami sa Mount, guys. Time is 7:17. And chinek ko yung chemist kung anong oras magsasara, 8 o'clock. So, dadaan muna kami sa chemist para kumuha ng cough medicine tsaka Nurofen. Kasi si Holly, umuubo tsaka parang may sinat.
High accident area.
So, eto na lang yung bukas na pharmacy. 8 pa naman sila magko-close. Takbo lang kami. Oh, ang haba ng pila. Thank you. Good night. Thank you. Good night na guys. Dito namin patutulugan si Holly kasi may sakit siya para hindi niya mahawaan si Kuya TJ. Saya-saya niya pa. Baba. Walang black. Walang cover yan. Yan yung extra namin. Yan yung extra namin na cook. Good night, Baba.
Because I think I do want you next to me.